The unfolding power. Unveiling the multifaceted benefits of weight training.
For too long, weight training has been relegated to the realm of bodybuilders and elite athletes, often perceived as a pursuit solely focused on aesthetics and brute strength. However, a growing body of scientific evidence is painting a far more comprehensive picture, revealing the profound and multifaceted benefits of resistance training that extend far beyond sculpted muscles. From bolstering physical health and enhancing mental well-being to even playing a potential role in protecting our cognitive function, weight training is emerging as a cornerstone of a healthy and fulfilling life for individuals of all ages and abilities.
More than just muscle. A holistic approach to physical health. At its core, weight training involves challenging your muscles against external resistance, whether through dumbbells, barbells, resistance bands, or even your own body weight. This seemingly simple act triggers a cascade of physiological adaptations that contribute significantly to overall physical health. Building a stronger foundation. Muscle mass and strength. The most obvious benefit is the increase in muscle mass and strength. As we age, we naturally lose muscle mass, sarcopenia, which can lead to weakness, frailty, and an increased risk of falls. Weight training actively combats this loss, building and maintaining the skeletal muscle crucial for everyday activities, from carrying groceries to climbing stairs.
Increased strength translates to improved functional capacity, making daily tasks easier and enhancing independence.
Fortifying bone health. A defense against osteoporosis. Our bones, like our muscles, respond to stress. Weight training provides this necessary stimulus, increasing bone mineral density and reducing the risk of osteoporosis, a condition characterized by weakened bones that are prone to fractures. By placing mechanical load on the skeletal system, resistance exercise encourages bone remodeling and strengthens the structural integrity of our bones, safeguarding us against debilitating injuries later in life. Metabolic mastery. Enhancing weight management and insulin sensitivity. Weight training plays a vital role in managing body weight and improving metabolic health. Muscle tissue is more metabolically active than fat tissue, meaning it burns more calories at rest. By increasing muscle mass, weight training elevates our basal metabolic rate, making it easier to maintain a healthy weight and even lose excess body fat. Furthermore, resistance exercise improves insulin sensitivity, allowing the body to utilize glucose more effectively and reducing the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. A healthier heart. Cardiovascular benefits beyond cardio. While aerobic exercise is often touted as the gold standard for cardiovascular health, weight training also contributes significantly. Studies have shown that resistance training can lower blood pressure, improve cholesterol profiles, and reduce the risk of heart disease and stroke. By strengthening the muscles, it reduces the strain on the cardiovascular system during daily activities. Injury prevention and rehabilitation. Building resilience. Stronger muscles provide better support and stability for our joints, reducing the risk of injuries during physical activity and everyday movements. Weight training can also play a crucial role in rehabilitation after injuries, helping to rebuild strength and restore function to affected areas. Targeted exercises can address muscle imbalances and weaknesses that may contribute to chronic pain and injuries. Beyond the physical, the profound impact on mental well-being. The benefits of weight training extend far beyond the tangible improvements in our physical form. The act of challenging ourselves physically can have a profound impact on our mental and emotional well-being. Boosting mood and reducing stress. Exercise, in general, is a powerful mood elevator, and weight training is no exception. During and after a workout, our bodies release endorphins, natural mood boosters that can alleviate stress, anxiety, and symptoms of depression. The sense of accomplishment after completing a challenging set or reaching a new personal best can also significantly enhance self-esteem and overall mood. Sharpening the mind. Cognitive benefits and potential dementia protection. Emerging research is highlighting the positive impact of weight training on cognitive function. Studies suggest that resistance exercise can improve memory, attention, and executive functions. As mentioned earlier, some research even indicates a potential role in protecting the brain against age-related cognitive decline and dementia by promoting neurotrophic factors and reducing inflammation. Enhancing sleep quality. Regular weight training can contribute to improved sleep quality. By expending energy and reducing stress levels, resistance exercise can help regulate sleep patterns, leading to deeper and more restful sleep. Adequate sleep is crucial for both physical and mental restoration. Building resilience and discipline. The process of weight training requires consistency, discipline, and perseverance. Setting goals, tracking progress, and pushing through challenging workouts can cultivate mental toughness and resilience that extends beyond the gym into other aspects of life. The sense of empowerment gained from mastering new exercises and witnessing physical progress can significantly boost self-confidence and a sense of control. Weight training for everyone. Debunking the myths. Despite the overwhelming evidence supporting its benefits, several misconceptions often deter individuals from incorporating weight training into their routines. It will make me bulky. This is a common concern, particularly among women. However, building significant muscle mass requires specific training protocols, high caloric intake, and often hormonal factors. For most individuals, weight training will lead to increased strength and improved muscle tone without resulting in an overly muscular physique. It's too complicated. Weight training doesn't need to be overly complex. Starting with basic exercises using body weight or light weights and gradually progressing is a safe and effective approach. Seeking guidance from a qualified fitness professional can help individuals learn proper form and develop a personalized program. I'm too old. Age is not a barrier to benefiting from weight training. In fact, it becomes even more crucial as we age to combat muscle loss and maintain functional independence. Modifications can be made to exercises to accommodate individual limitations and abilities. Getting started. Embracing the power of resistance. Incorporating weight training into your life doesn't require joining a fancy gym or investing in expensive equipment. Simple bodyweight exercises like squats, push-ups, lunges, and planks can be incredibly effective, especially for beginners. Resistance bands offer a versatile and affordable way to add resistance to various movements. As you progress, you can explore free weights or weight machines at a gym. The key is to start gradually, focus on proper form to prevent injuries, and listen to your body. Consistency is more important than intensity, especially in the beginning. Aim for 2 to 3 weight training sessions per week, allowing for adequate rest between sessions to allow your muscles to recover and rebuild.
The takeaway: invest in your future self.
The benefits of weight training are far-reaching and impact virtually every aspect of our health and well-being. It's an investment in a stronger, healthier, more resilient, and potentially even sharper future self. By embracing the power of resistance, we can build a foundation of physical strength, protect our bones, improve our metabolism, boost our mood, enhance our cognitive function, and ultimately live a more vibrant and fulfilling life. So, step away from the misconception that weight training is solely for bodybuilders and unlock the transformative potential it holds for everyone. Your body and mind will thank you for it.